Hello and welcome to my Blender tutorial on how to use alpha mapping in Blender. It's going to be fast, precise, and strictly on point. Today we're going to learn alpha mapping, how to import this image into Blender so that only the image of the leaf shows up. Everything else will be transparent, and you can use this for many different tasks in Blender. First, I'm going to show you how to make the alpha map image of this image in Photoshop. This is what it'll end up looking like. Here we are. So we're going to add a new layer, and we're going to paint it black. Let's move that down. Magic wand and highlight the entire leaf. Everything that we want to show up in white. What's going to show up in black is going to be the transparent part. Sorry about the slow computer. We got a lot of things going on right now. Alright, now I'm going to hit B for brush, and I have white selected, and I'm just going to, whoop, excuse me. I don't. I've got black selected. Okay. So save that in the same format that your picture is in. The image was in PNG, so follow it up with PNG. Blender sometimes gets a little weird and kicks out PNG files, so you may also want to try this in JPEG. Now, on to setting it up. Here I have a quick scene set up, a sun from a light source, and simply a ground so that I can show the shadow. So now to add the plane, a file, import, image as plane. There's our image, enter. Let's just raise that up a little bit and rotate it on the x-axis just a little bit so we can see that shadow. And there we go. So now what we want to do is remove all that black so that you'll see just the leaf and that shadow will be represented properly. How to achieve that? We'll go into our node editor. And it's a quite simple process. We're going to copy this image, node. Here's where we add that alpha image. There we go. Now we're going to add a shader. Excuse me, Shift A. A mix shader. Let's give this a little bit of space here. I'll tell you, running Photoshop and then Blender sometimes can really bog us down, so sorry about this lag. And screen recording. We're going to move that down so that, again, the original image goes to the diffuse and goes into shader, the bottom half, the shader node. Now under shader also we're going to go to transparent. Alright. The alpha image, we'll go to the FAC tab, and now we're going to click the transparent and add it to shader number 1, and that's where the magic happens, folks. So now we have our leaf displaying the proper shadows, exactly what we're looking to achieve. You can use this technique for many different functions. So I hope you learned something, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with your friends. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Keep on blending.